Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. So today I will show you the test machine for our SAVOX servo. Okay, so this test machine, so you can see here is a voltage and ampere, and we also have a temperature test in here. So it's two servo we can compare, and this one is a rough test machine. We will make it better. So right now, the right hand you can see in the middle is a voltage and ampere, and here is a temperature, and the left hand here is a temperature, and here is a ampere. So for these two servo, we test the new SAVOX SB-3295, and the right hand, this one is a SB-2295. So it's an old version. So they all test 1.5 kilometer with 2 centimeters. So it means 3 kilogram for loading. So we'll test right now. For the old version SB-2295, you can see the ampere is around 2 ampere, and right now the temperature is a 38.3. And this one is a new SB-3295. So you can see here the ampere is only 200 milliampere. And you can see here, the temperature is only 27. So let's see in 10 minutes, what will be difference.